Hello, my name is Craig Cole, and I'm from ColTech Investments. I have a question for you. Are you tired of watching stock charts like a hawk, chasing the next big move and still coming up short? I was too, until I discovered a better way to trade, a way to get paid up front just for showing up in the market. It's called selling options, and it's not about gambling. It's about cash flow. Every week, I use strategies like covered calls, cash secured puts to generate income, whether the stock goes up or down or nowhere. And now I'm sharing my free guide, the Options Cash Flow Blueprint, to show you exactly how it works. Inside, you'll see how to turn your stocks into rental income, why most options expire worthless, which is good news for us, and a sneak peek at my Ferris wheel strategy, a simple, repeatable way to get paid week after week. This is no hype, no nonsense, just strategies that work. So if you're ready to stop chasing trades and start collecting consistent income, then download my free blueprint now and let's get to work.